Okay, so we're going to do three constructions today. We're going to look at the perpendicular bisector, the angle bisector, and constructing parallel lines. So let's start with the perpendicular bisector. So select the segment function. So you're going to create a segment AB, and then you're going to go to circle with center. So start with the center of A, and have the radius be the segment AB. And then you're going to go to the compass. You're actually going to copy the circle. So go back to point A again, select point B, and select point B again, and that'll keep this circle in place. So we're almost done. You're going to select these two circles using the intersection function, and that's going to give you point C and point D. You could do it manually. I mean, it really doesn't matter, but, I feel it's a little bit more accurate this way. So select the segment function again and connect point C and D. So now you have your perpendicular bisector. So this cuts the segment AB in half, and these two lines form a 90-degree angle. So now let's look at the next construction, which is going to be the angle bisector. So here I'm going to build an angle with two rays, but realistically you could use segments and lines or any other combination, but I'm going to use rays since traditionally that's how angles look like. So it doesn't matter where you place point C and point B. So once you've created your angle, go to circle with center. And then when you create your circle, try not to go too far out, otherwise you're going to go outside the screen and you're not going to be able to finish your construction. So once you've done that, what you're going to do now is go to the intersection function, find the intersection of this ray and this circle, and do the same thing with this ray and this circle. That'll give you point E and point F. Go back to the compass, and then you're going to copy this circle A and place it right on top of point E, and then do the same thing with point F. So go to compass again, point A, point F, and here you're going to find the intersection of these two circles. So select this circle and this circle, and you'll have point H and point G, and then I'm going to select the ray option and draw a ray starting at point H through G. So you have this angle BHG that's going to be congruent to this angle CHG. So this larger angle that we created earlier, BAC, that was cut in half by this angle bisector here. So the last construction we're going to look at is constructing parallel lines. So this takes a few more steps. So again, you could always rewind this video, stop it, pause it, go back. So draw yourself a line. Doesn't matter where you place point B. And we're going to draw a line parallel to this line somewhere. I'm going to put point C here. So our objective is to draw a line that's parallel to line AB, but passes through point C. So it should basically kind of look like this in the direction of my cursor. So what you want to do once you've done that, draw a line through point A and point C. Go to the circle with center, and then draw your circle. Now what I would recommend when you get to this point right here, when you finish creating your circle, you're going to get a fourth point D. I'm going to move this point over here because it's going to interfere with your drawing later on. So once you've done that, what you want to do is go to the intersection function, find the intersection of this line and this circle, this line and this circle right here. So you should get points F and point H. So go back to the circle with center. We're going to copy this circle, point A, start with point A, and point F. Whoops, sorry. Go to compass, start with point A, and point F, and then move that on top of point C. So you basically constructed the exact same circle and placed the center at C. Now what you're going to do is go back to the compass function again, select point F, point H, and you should get a circle, and then you're going to place it right on top of the intersection of this line and this circle right here. So once you've done that, go back to the intersection function, find the intersection of these two circles. And it's okay if this third circle is a different size than the other two circles. And in fact, that's pretty much always going to be the case. So now that you have point K, the last thing to do is to finish off the line. So start at point C, select point K. So now you have line CK that's going to be parallel to line AB.